Hello everyone. Okay, for 5 minutes let's do it. Hi. Yeah. Because that two or 3 minutes ago I'm just here's the video Nihongo no hanashi fukunde that is the Japanese speaking for 5 minutes. So so because so that's so of that I that time I'm just speak English, sorry bro. But this video I will speak only English. Okay, for 5 minutes let's do it. Okay, and this video is a special video because I am speaking with, oh, what is that? Oh, ma. Yeah. Oh, oh, 이거. Oh, cat meow meow. This video is special because I'm come with my cat. His name he is Fu. Oh, yeah. This kid have two names in one character. That's so cool. Not not only kid but also not only Fu but also yeah, that's cool. I think that's really cool. Yeah. Okay, and yeah, in the same way. Sorry bro, in the same way, I'm not thinking about the topic that I want to talk this video, but okay, I'm thinking right now with 4 minutes. Yeah, I don't know, but okay, in reality, I, I, I'm just like, I don't know, I I don't have anything that I want to talk. Oh, but in reality, did did this topic I am talking already in Nihon in speaking Japanese for 5 minutes, but okay, in in the in English versions I am also speak it too. That is the that is the I tomorrow I have the Japanese test for checking my level of Japanese. So tomorrow I have test, and this test is just something like get for the year it just have 2 times for the year, and this time is December. So this time is time is the second of this year, and I I quite what is that? I quite what is that word? I'm sorry bro. I'm searching with Gemini right now. It's something like what is that? Oh, it's something like wait for a minute. Okay. Excited. Oh, what? This word is really easy for me, but sorry, bro. Forgot, right? I forgot. Okay, but this time now I am yeah I am remembering it right now. I quite excited because this test is the first time of it the first time for me that's it's the first time for me that's going to this exam is a Japanese checking level exam. Yeah, I think everyone doesn't focus me. I think everyone focus my cat. Yeah, hello everyone. Alright. Yo, hello everyone. Yeah. Oh, Novice also the Novice of what is that? Of the meaning of the word. With Novice and excited also it's quite what is that? It's quite similar. Yeah. Oh, I cannot wait. I'm pumped. stuff like that. Yeah. Oh guy, that is finished 5 minutes. Sorry bro. Oh, my cat is also next. It's so go bye bye. So I gonna bye bye everyone too. Hi, see you next video. Bye bye. I going to sleep. Yeah.